Landforms are natural features and shapes that make up the Earth's surface. They are created through various geological processes, including tectonic activity, erosion, weathering, and deposition. Landforms can be found on land, in bodies of water, and even beneath the Earth's surface. They come in a wide range of sizes and shapes, from massive mountain ranges to small hills, from deep canyons to gentle plains. Understanding landforms is crucial for studying and comprehending Earth's physical geography. In this detailed explanation, we will explore various types of landforms and the processes responsible for their formation. Mountains. Mountains are the most prominent and imposing landforms on Earth. They are typically characterized by steep slopes, rugged terrain, and high elevations. Mountains are created through tectonic activity, primarily by the collision or convergence of tectonic plates. When two plates collide, they push against each other, causing the Earth's crust to fold, uplift, and form mountain ranges. Examples include the Himalayas, the Andes, and the Rocky Mountains. Plateaus. Plateaus are elevated flat areas of land with steep sides. They are generally larger in size than mountains and are often found surrounded by mountains or hills. Plateaus are formed through various processes, including volcanic activity, tectonic uplift, and erosion. Volcanic plateaus are created when layers of solidified lava build up over time. Tectonic plateaus form when the Earth's crust is uplifted, resulting in a relatively flat surface. Examples of plateaus include the Colorado Plateau in the United States and the Deccan Plateau in India. Plains. Plains are extensive, flat or gently rolling landforms with low relief. They usually occur at lower elevations and are composed of sedimentary deposits such as sand, silt, and clay. Plains are formed through several processes, including erosion, deposition by rivers and glaciers, and the gradual accumulation of sediment over time. They are often fertile and suitable for agriculture. Examples of plains include the Great Plains in the United States and the Indo-Gangetic Plain in South Asia. Valleys. Valleys are elongated depressions between mountains, hills, or plateaus. They are typically formed through erosion by rivers, glaciers, or tectonic activity. River valleys are created when a river erodes the land, cutting through the surrounding terrain over millions of years. Glacial valleys are carved out by moving glaciers, which shape and erode the landscape. Examples of valleys include the Grand Canyon in the United States and the Rift Valley in East Africa. Canyons. Canyons are deep, narrow valleys with steep sides, often carved by rivers. They are characterized by dramatic cliffs and are usually the result of long-term erosion. Over time, flowing water gradually wears away the rock and sediment, forming a deep channel. The most famous example is the Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA. Deserts. Deserts are vast areas of land characterized by little to no rainfall and sparse vegetation. They can be sandy, rocky, or a combination of both. Deserts are formed by several factors, including geographic location, atmospheric circulation patterns, and the presence of mountain ranges that create rain shadows. These conditions result in limited precipitation and arid landscapes. Examples of deserts include the Sahara Desert in Africa and the Mojave Desert in the United States. Islands. Islands are landforms that are surrounded by water on all sides. They can be formed through various processes, including volcanic activity, tectonic uplift, or deposition of sediment. Volcanic islands are created when magma erupts from the Earth's crust, forming new land above the water's surface. Tectonic islands are formed when tectonic plates collide or separate, causing land to rise or sink. Examples of islands include Hawaii, the Galapagos Islands, and the Maldives. Peninsulas. Peninsulas are landforms that are connected to the mainland on one side and surrounded by water on the remaining sides. They are formed through a combination of processes, including erosion, deposition, and tectonic activity. Erosion from rivers or waves can gradually shape a landmass into a peninsula. Deposition of sediment can also create land bridges that connect a mainland to a peninsula. Examples of peninsulas include the Iberian Peninsula in Europe and the Arabian Peninsula in the Middle East. Caves. Caves are underground hollow spaces that are formed in various types of rock, such as limestone, through the process of dissolution. Water, containing carbon dioxide, seeps into cracks and joints in the rock, gradually dissolving it over time. As the rock dissolves, it creates intricate networks of passages and chambers. Stalactites and stalagmites, formed by the deposition of minerals carried by water, are often found in caves. Examples of famous cave systems include Mammoth Cave in the United States and the caves of Agtelik Karst in Hungary. These are just a few examples of the vast array of landforms found on Earth. Each landform has its own unique characteristics and formation processes, which contribute to the diverse and ever-changing nature of our planet's surface. By studying landforms, geographers, geologists, and other scientists gain insights into Earth's past, present, and future geological processes. We would like to extend our sincere gratitude for tuning in to our YouTube video on landforms. We hope that the detailed content we provided has been informative and engaging for you. If you found this video interesting and would like to explore more fascinating topics in the future, we kindly ask you to consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and have access to a wide range of educational content. Once again, thank you for your support and for being a part of our community. We look forward to bringing you more enriching content in the days to come.